Today in Paris, we launched BroadCloud for the French marketplace, and we had a great event here in Paris communicating to existing and future partners about the capabilities of our BroadCloud infrastructure, how easy it is for them to be able to take advantage of that, and for them to easily launch new unified communication services into the French marketplace. Cloud UC has been growing very dramatically in the last 18 months around the world as businesses move from their legacy infrastructures, from PBXs, voicemail systems, conferencing, video bridges, to really looking at acquiring these capabilities in a software as a service manner, and basically moving to cloud unified communications capabilities. And we're seeing that trend occur throughout the world. I think the cloud unified communications market will be changing and growing and moving from across the various segments. So there's been a lot of adoption in the small to medium segment. We're seeing a lot more activity in the medium and larger enterprises as companies start to kind of understand and are interested in adopting both locally and throughout the world. We're also seeing a fair amount of adoption and consideration of moving to cloud UC infrastructures in a variety of vertical applications, so hotels, retail, and then very special areas around government. By integrating mobility and cloud unified communications, the end user customers are able to take advantage of the unified communications capabilities anywhere they're working and on any device, which is really how end users want to consume these new services. They want to be able to free to choose which device suits their needs wherever they are and happen to be working. I think our expansion into France is really important as we continue to look at growing BroadCloud throughout our footprint. The French market is really at a really interesting point of adoption, and we see a tremendously large number of partners that are interested in taking our BroadCloud infrastructure to the end user market. And we see that the adoption and the interest by end users is growing as people understand and are ready to make these migrations from their legacy infrastructure to cloud solutions.